Outside adjustability. Many welding helmet manufacturers place their controls on the inside of the helmet, making the adjustment to helmets while welding next to impossible, as the welder must stop the welding process to remove his helmet and make the adjustments. In cases where a PAPR is in use, removal of the helmet to make adjustments is not only non-efficient, it poses potential health risks due to contamination and smoke that is in the area. In all expert products of Optrel, the ADF functions can be set outside the helmet. In this way, at any time, changes and adjustments can be done without taking off the welding helmet for higher efficiency. Maximum comfort and efficiency is ensured by this feature. A welding expert should count on the Optrel Expert series without compromise.